Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. And today we're going to go over a deal that is starting next Tuesday. This is like a Tuesday deal. There's no weekend deal because Black Friday is going on, of course, this weekend. And they've done this in the past where they just push the sale until after this current sale ends, which of course it goes through Monday, through Cyber Monday. So it makes sense that the weekend deal is going to go to Tuesday. So this is essentially the weekend deal. And we'll keep an eye out if they add anything to it. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing and or hyping, and let's jump in. Actually, before we jump in, how has your early Black Friday shopping gone? Tomorrow's Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. I am very thankful to have the HARBROs and the HARBROettes out there. Appreciate the kind words and all the support. But how has your ITC week gone so far? Let me know. Hopefully super successful. But let's jump in. Too long. Too long. Weekend deal starting next Tuesday. It's going to be 20% off of all Bauer tool belts, pouches, and holsters. And here they have some examples. Let's read through the fine print just to make sure we understand it. 20% is solid. They do have 25% that they give here and there, mostly 15%, but 20% off all Bauer tool belts, pouches, and holsters. I haven't seen this deal, so decent time to get some of these if you're in the market. But anyways, 20% off all Bauer tool belts, pouches, and holsters with this coupon, valid Tuesday 12/2 through Sunday 12/14. This is also when the December super coupons should be coming out. Valid in store only while supplies last. 20% off all of those things. Cannot be combined with other offers or prior purchases. Excludes ITC, service plans, open boxes, yada, yada, yada. So pretty straightforward. 20% off. But let's just look at what items are considered belts, pouches, and holsters from Bauer. And that's what we're going to look at here. So I've sorted from high to low. And this first one is the Bauer 23 pocket electrician's pouch. $25. This is going to be the most expensive item. So it's not like we're going to save big bucks, but we're going to save some bucks. Build your own custom tool belt. This rugged electrician's pouch is part of Bauer heavy duty tool belt system. And for all intents and purposes, it looks very nice. And at $25, you're getting it at 20% off. Get it down to $20. So save $5, which makes sense. $20. $5 savings. So not the most huge savings, but I don't see any limit on these. So if you're going to buy multiple items, that's likely where your savings are going to be. So that's a 23 pocket electrician's pouch. Then we have the 10 pocket carpenter's pouch, $14. And look how they have it bedazzled out. Again, $14. It does say build your own custom tool belt. Not sure exactly what that means besides putting in your own tools that you want. They do have a loop made specifically for a belt here, but the rest, most of it, you can fill as you wish. This has the 90-day warranty from date of purchase. And this is down to $14, but at $14, you're gonna save, about $3. Get it down to $11.20. And then we have the Bauer padded tool belt suspenders. Some padded suspenders. I might get these. I rock some suspenders myself. Build your own custom tool belt. The padded tool belt suspenders, all part of the heavy duty system. Nice padded suspenders. All these items frequently bought together. And again, the savings won't be as big, but at $13 at 20% off, you're getting it for $10.40. You have the Bauer heavy duty padded work belt at $10. Don't need the math there. You'll save $2. Get this for $8. So I see all of these are relatively interchangeable or combinable. Go down. We have the Bauer 12 pocket framers pouch for $10. Save $2 there as well. All of these are going to have the 90-day warranty. I guess you're just going to have your choice of how you're going to build it. The 14 pocket electrician's pouch at $10. Same thing. Save $2. Get it for $8. They have some nice Doyle in here as an example. You have the Bauer 4 pocket drill holster, also $10. Get it for $2 off at $8. Holster for your drill. Nice Doyle blade. The Bauer 5 pocket utility holster at $9. You're going to save slightly less than $2. Get it for $7.20. So $1.80 that you're saving. And here they have this nice pouch holster. You can customize. And then the last two, these are clearance price, which is interesting. Already down to $6.97. Have the heavy duty power tool hook so you can hook on your power tools if that's your style at $6.97. Again, the savings aren't huge here, but it get down to $5.60. So even more of a clearance price. And then of course, last but not least, the 4-pocket dual ring hammer holster, $5.97. Here they have the awesome pencil blade hammer. It looks like a pen, getting it down to $5.97. Let's just say $6. You get it $4.80. So saving just over $1 there, about $1. Is that $1.10, $1.20? And those are the Bauer. That's the Bauer pouch holster and belt deal. Very specific. Haven't seen this deal before, but 20% is in the buy range. Definitely better than the 15%. 20% is a solid deal, especially if you're in the market. And we'll leave it at that. We'll peruse the new tools. And it looks like they do have a few new tools. The Predator 5,000 watt gas powered portable generator, $500. The new Earthquake XT 1-inch composite pistol grip air impact wrench, $330. Yikes. Braun, some new Braun lights. Always love me some Braun new lights. 13,000 lumen output, IPX7. Beam of light up to 770 feet. What are you going to use that for? $90. Wait for the 40% off of Braun, which will come. It'll come next year, if not this year. But they have it every so often. 40% off all of Braun. Get this down to what? What would that be, like 40, $50? That would be an amazing light for that price. Cool new item. And it looks like we do have some new colors. A new color. Is it a new color? A new color for the US General 5-outlet magnetic strip. Surprised they didn't have slate gray before, but there we have it. Almost every color. Anyways, we'll leave it at that. I hope everyone's having an excellent Black Friday sale and everything's in stock. And if not, then hopefully it's in stock this weekend. And if not, they're going to extend the parking lot sale. It'll extend that same Tuesday starting December 2nd. So hopefully between now and the next, what is that, roughly 2 weeks, a little week and a half, you'll be able to get any of the deals that you need to get. So good luck out there. Happy Harbor Freighting. Happy shopping. Happy Thanksgiving. I'm grateful for the Harbros. Let me know what you're grateful for. And as always, as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your